Okay, you see the title of the video and you're wondering, has this guy not had sneakers before? What? No, don't get me wrong. These are the first sneakers that I got with my own money. The rest from family and no, from family alone. I'm not doing from friends. My friends need to work on themselves. All of you, get me sneakers. I love my sneakers. But the first two sneakers in this video are pretty popular, and if you follow me on Instagram, you definitely see them. But the last one is tricky. Like, I'm even reluctant to wear it because let's just watch till the end of the video, then you tell me what you think about it. Let's get to it. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, hi, I'm nikloxone. You can call me nikloxone. I really should stop doing this. Anyways, let's hop into the video. The first sneaker in this video needs no further introduction. It's a friendly neighborhood Air Force Ones. Look, if you have a sneaker collection or you are into fashion in any ways, or you just want to get a pair of sneakers, I suggest getting Air Force Ones. And I got mine in the basic white colorway, which is what you should go for. White leather sneakers are very essential in your wardrobe. I said that in my video some time ago. You can go check that out. And I just love how the texture of this shoe is. And I got mine in a sneaker hub over here, which is about $60. Changing it to my currency is about 25,000, which is quite nice. Yeah, if you want to invest, I suggest investing in shoes more than clothes. Now the next sneaker on this video is my current favorite sneaker, and it's the Converse Chuck Taylor Runster Hike. And I love these because not only does it have the classic Converse silhouette, it also has a chunky sole, making it elevated and making it a bit more fashion forward, which is my style because, hey, I'll be elevated, the whole elevated look. Yeah, I know I'm tall and all, but I still need a couple of inches. That sounded right. It sounded a lot better in my head. Yeah, and I got these for around $80, which is a steal because these go from about $100 to $150, even more. So call me the bargain master. That sounded cringe. Now, I suggest looking into these sneakers because they are actually great, and you can check out my Instagram because I think I took a lot of pictures with that shoe for a while and I had to keep them away from me. Right now, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna use them right now. Because, hey, I love them sneakers and I suggest you check them out too. Now, the last one that gave me the weird feeling are these Dior Nikes. Okay, now the weird feeling is I searched everywhere. I wouldn't really say everywhere I could. And I couldn't find any Dior Nikes in this particular silhouette, which made me think they're fake. Because I got them for around $36. Well, I don't know if I searched hard enough, but for me, I didn't particularly see anyone in this silhouette, so it kind of made me feel like they were fake. And I don't know, you tell me what you think. But I particularly like the gray tone on it, and it's actually cool. I haven't styled it yet because, hey, I haven't found the chance to, or maybe I'm just reluctant. So just tell me what you think in the comments, or you can hit me up on Instagram or anywhere and tell me what you think about these. That brings us to the end of this video, and if you want to know where to get these sneakers, I will research and post in a later video. But for now, if you want to see me style them, you can check out my Instagram at nik_nestor. You can follow back. Links will be left in the description. And please do well to subscribe, like, and turn on that bell notification to stay notified when a new video drops. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.